This is a tutorial on the glass fracture lab. The purpose of this lab is to examine the effects of crack size on glass fracture strength. Glass slides will be scratched using sandpaper and will be stressed until failure on the Griffith testing fixture. Start by using calipers to measure the glass slide's dimensions. Label each glass slide with the corresponding sandpaper grit. Scratch one of each of the glass slides against the 240, 320, 400, and 600 grit sandpapers, respectively, to create cracks of differing depths. Make 10 passes along the full length of the sandpaper. Keep one slide scratch-free for comparison. Make the scratches perpendicular to the length of the slide. Apply a uniform and constant force while scratching to avoid flawed results. Measure the surface roughness of each glass slide using the surface roughness tester. Turn on the surface roughness tester using the orange button. Place the surface roughness tester on top of the slide and press the orange button to run the test. Pay attention to the RA, or average surface roughness value. Record the average of 3 collected values. Be careful with the tester as the pickup is relatively fragile. After preparing the slides, use the Griffith test fixture to begin fracture testing. Make sure to wear cut-resistant gloves and safety glasses while testing. Measure the distance between the glass slide supports, the glass slide support and the pivot and the load bucket to calculate applied force during analysis. Fill the load bucket until the lever arm is perfectly balanced at any angle. If the lever arm is raised, remove some shot. If it falls, add more shot. Place the glass slide on the glass support, making sure the scratch side is facing down. Gently lower the lever arm and place the load bucket on the other end. Fill the load bucket with the shot until failure occurs. Slowly add weight to avoid dynamic loading, which will cause premature failure. After the glass slide experiences failure, dispose of all shards in the sharps container. Make sure you are wearing cut-resistant gloves. Measure the mass of the load bucket. After fracture testing has been completed on all the glass slides, refer to your lab instructions to know how to calculate fracture stress and best report this data.